Okay, gang, here's what we're gonna do today. I'm making Lulu Sapphire's wall sconce out of products from the Dollar Tree. I just went today and I picked up these frame holders and I'm stacking them on top of each other with some candlesticks to keep them open and not falling down. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun to secure these two pieces together. This is the packaging that it came in. You may be asking, why are you making a wall sconce? I thought your room was already done. And to that I say, my mom wanted a painting back, the Painted Lady painting. That is her favorite painting in the whole world right now, so she wants it back for her room, and so I'm going to find some ways to decorate the wall instead. So that's it. Okay, back in my room, here it is, what I've got so far. Here are my faux candles that I'm going to put in. I added some ribbons to match my aesthetic, and I put the faux candles in. One thing I did differently from the original video was I added these cups to it because these faux candles would not stay if I thumbtacked them in. Now all that's left to do is put this wall sconce on the wall. Here you are, gang. It's just settling in, and I think we're good. And there you have it, my wall sconce. I hope you liked today's video. I know it was a short one, but trust me, it took longer than anticipated to make. But I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!